right now, hopefully in less than 2 minutes or so, maybe 3 minutes. I'm going to be showing you how I take off my makeup. All I do is I take a makeup remover wipe. I use these, the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I simply just look at the mirror and take it all off. So prepare for a fast motion of taking off all my makeup that took me an hour to do. And in only 3 minutes, all of my makeup is off. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be making more makeup and all that routine looks of taking it on, taking it off. I don't use any other product other than just using a wipe. And it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to do. So it's really quick, really fast versus taking all these other steps of washing with cleansers and all that. But this is clean enough for me. It removed 99% of the makeup. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you all. Thank you so much.